Hello friends, welcome to Unit 12.2 of our MOOC on climate change and disaster risk management. In the last unit, we discussed the skills required to build a successful career in disaster risk management and climate adaptation. Today, we will take the next step, that is exploring real career paths available to us in this field. Careers in disaster and climate management are not just ordinary jobs, they allow us to contribute in saving lives, protecting communities, rebuilding after disasters, and creating safer futures. Whether someone wants to work with the government, serve communities through NGOs, collaborate on global climate goals with international agencies, innovate solutions through startups, or discover new knowledge in research, there are many meaningful directions to choose from. Let us explore each pathway one by one. Career opportunities in government. Government careers play an important role in disaster management in India. These jobs involve planning, preparation, response, and recovery during disasters such as floods, cyclones, droughts, earthquakes, and heat waves. Government roles exist at national, state, and district levels, and they directly influence policies and relief work. Some important government agencies include National Disaster Management Authority (NDMA), State Disaster Management Authorities (SDMAs), District Disaster Management Authorities (DDMAs), National Disaster Response Force (NDRF), Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, National Institute of Disaster Management (NIDM). Positions range from consultants, project managers, GIS specialists, community coordinators, training officers to field level disaster officers. These jobs help ensure that emergency response, early warning systems, vulnerability assessments, and relief actions are carried out smoothly. Recruitment usually happens through UPSC, State Public Service Commissions, or direct contractual recruitment. Then comes the careers in NGOs. NGOs are essential partners in DRM because they work directly with communities, especially those most affected by disasters. These roles provide opportunities to engage in field level work, capacity building, relief support, awareness programs, and long term resilience planning. Popular roles include program coordinator, field officer, training and volunteer manager, climate resilience specialist, community mobilizer, etc. Some organizations such as Indian Red Cross Society, Oxfam India, Care India, Save the Children, and Seeds India actively hire professionals to work in disaster relief, community resilience, and humanitarian response. If someone enjoys problem solving and working closely with people, career in NGOs offer deep personal satisfaction and real impact. Now, let's see what are the careers in international agencies. International agencies support India through global knowledge, funding, and best practices. Career in these organizations allow professionals to work on international collaborations, research projects, and large-scale development programs. Key agencies include UNDP, United Nations Office for Disaster Risk Reduction, World Bank, Asian Development Bank, International Federation of Red Cross. Jobs such as program specialist, climate analyst, research associate, monitoring and evaluation expert, and consultant provide opportunities to contribute to international goals like the Sendai Framework, Paris Agreement, and Sustainable Development Goals. Let's now discuss another challenging area, that is startups and entrepreneurship. In recent years, technology and innovation have become very important in disaster and climate solutions. This has given rise to many startups developing tools such as flood warming sensors, agriculture support systems, drone-based rescue technologies, and emergency communication tools. Students and young professionals can join here as founders or co-founders, product developers, field engineers, data analysts, impact assessment officers, and many more. India now has many climate tech incubation centers in universities and technical institutions that support young innovators. Working with these startups provide creative freedom and the opportunity to test new ideas that directly help people during emergencies. Then comes research careers. Research careers focus on developing new knowledge, technologies, and policies for disaster and climate solutions. Researchers study topics like early warning systems, climate modeling, risk assessments, agriculture resilience, urban planning, and community vulnerability. Research positions exist in NIDM, IITs, ISER, and universities, India Meteorological Department, Indian Council of Agricultural Research, scientific and social science research labs, and the roles include research fellow, project scientist, postdoctoral researcher or professor. Research directly guides governments, communities, and technology development departments and is a strong pathway for those who enjoy scientific inquiry and problem solving. Careers in disaster management and climate adaptation are dynamic, diverse, and expanding rapidly. Each pathway, whether through government service, NGO engagement, global partnership, technological innovation, or scientific research, offers opportunities to make a meaningful difference. Your choice of career can align with your strengths and interests. Maybe you love technology or want to work with people or enjoy designing policies or want to explore new ideas through science. Whatever direction you can choose, the field welcomes passionate individuals like you who want to help in building a safer and more resilient world. In the next unit, Unit 12.3, we will explore innovation, lifelong learning, and entrepreneurship, how education, digital platforms like MOOCs, incubators, and DRR labs support continuous growth and help students create new solutions for disaster management and climate resilience. Thank you very much and see you in the next session.